Welcome to Astro5s.com. Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Moon in 10th house. About Moon. Rules is Cancer. Exaltation is Taurus. Detriment is Capricorn. Fall is Scorpio. Responsible. Mind. Material. Assets property. Mother. Represents. Domestic, nurturing urge. Anatomy. Breasts, stomach, fluid balance of the body, digestion, glandular secretions, left eye of male, right eye of female. Keyword is emotions. General. The Moon in the chart prominence is important because this is the planet closest to Earth and moves fast through the zodiac. It represents the principle of women, mother, wife and women in general. Instinct, mood, tide, phase, receptive ability, motivation, feeling, habit, reflexive action. Its actions affirm and change. Adjust personal interests, desires, needs. 10th house, it mean public. It shows your public life. Reputation, profession, authorities, apparent, status, ego. Natural sign is Capricorn. Natural ruler is Saturn. Keyword is honor. 10th house is a house of substance and earth. Quality is angular house. General. The 10th house shows your career, reputation and position in the community. And it shows your ego, status, reputation, promotion, ambition, business and social activities, your employer, the government or any other agency for you. This house shows your achievements, how the world recognize and evaluate you and your influence in your own circle. Here we see the church as an organization and opposite parents from the one represented by your 4th home. Moon in the 10th house. Keyword is social. It is likely that you will experience some career changes. You need public recognition for your accomplishments and this need may or may not be met throughout your life. You need to work with the public in some way, with women or in areas related to women. Your mother may have played an important role in your life. You can stand out in your industry, be popular with the public. This position of the Moon is great for all works on the Moon, marketing, cargo, shipping, as well as anything that involves the public. If your Moon is in the atmospheric sign, Gemini, Libra or Aquarius, then ideas, communication, writing, and teaching can be engaging. If your Moon is in the palace of fire, Aries, Lion or Sagittarius, independence and enthusiasm are a key feature of your career choice. Water moons, such as Cancer, Capricorn, and Pisces, may have some difficulty finding a career path. Nurturing others, serving or seeking an artistic profession all make this process easier. If your Moon is in the Earth sign, such as Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, then you are likely to build a solid career path based on your need for emotional security. Moon in the 10th house is also representative of professions related to women's rights, healthcare and social services. Specialized medical fields such as gynecology or specific problems with infertility, pregnancy, hormonal changes, and ritual overbearing can play a large role in the profession. Your reputation is important to you, your feelings are often dominated by your ambitions and desires for advancement. Because you need the world for your audience, this position can bring scandal. You have little private life and you may feel as if you are living in an aquarium. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video. Thank you, see you in the next video.